Question 1. Tell me about yourself. Answer. Hello, my name is Keshav. I have recently completed my B Pharmaceutical from Delhi University. During my studies, I developed a strong interest in the field of quality control due to its critical role in ensuring the safety and efficacy of pharmaceutical products. I have a solid foundation in analytical techniques like HPLC, UV spectroscopy, and I am keen to apply my knowledge in a practical environment. I am a quick learner, detail-oriented, and excited about the opportunity to contribute to your company. Questions 2. Why are you interested in working in the QC department? Answer. I am particularly drawn to the QC department because it plays a vital role in maintaining the quality and safety of pharmaceutical products. Ensuring that every product meets the required standards is crucial, and I want to be part of that responsibility. My academic projects in analytical chemistry have further fueled my interest, and I believe that working in QC will allow me to apply my skills while continuously learning and growing. Questions 3. What do you know about our company? Answer. I have researched your company and learned that it is a leading player in the pharmaceutical industry, known for its commitment to quality and innovation. I am particularly impressed by your recent developments in. Mention any recent achievement or product of the company. The company's focus on research and quality aligns with my career goals, and I am excited about the possibility of contributing to your continued success. Question 4. How do you handle stressful situations, especially when there is a tight deadline? Answer. I handle stressful situations by staying organized and prioritizing my tasks. For example, during my final year project, we had to complete a complex analysis within a short period. I broke down the project into smaller tasks, focused on completing each one methodically, and communicated effectively with my team members to ensure we stayed on track. This approach helped me manage the pressure and complete the project successfully. Question 5. What are your strengths and weaknesses? Answer. My key strength is my attention to detail, which is crucial in QC to ensure the accuracy and reliability of test results. I'm also a fast learner and adaptable, which helps me quickly understand and apply new techniques. As for my weakness, I sometimes take on too much responsibility to ensure everything is perfect, but I'm working on better delegating tasks when necessary. Question 6. Why should we hire you over other candidates? Answer. I believe my strong academic background in pharmaceutical sciences, combined with my enthusiasm for quality control, makes me a suitable candidate. I am eager to learn, highly motivated, and ready to contribute positively to your team. My ability to grasp complex concepts quickly and my passion for ensuring product quality will help me add value to your QC department. Question 7. How do you ensure accuracy in your work? Answer. I ensure accuracy in my work by following standard operating procedures meticulously, double-checking my results, and maintaining clear and accurate records. During my academic projects, I always made sure to cross-check my findings with peers and supervisors, which helped me avoid errors and maintain high standards. Question 8. Can you describe a time when you worked as part of a team? Answer. During my final year at university, I was part of a team responsible for developing a new formulation. We collaborated closely, dividing tasks based on each member's strengths. I was responsible for conducting stability tests and ensuring compliance with regulations. Through effective communication and teamwork, we successfully completed the project, which was well received by our professors. Question 9. Where do you see yourself in 5 years? Answer. In 5 years, I see myself having grown significantly in my role within the QC department, possibly taking on a leadership position. I aim to deepen my expertise in quality control and contribute to major projects within the company. I am also interested in continuing my education, perhaps pursuing a certification that would further enhance my skills in QC. Question 10. Do you have any questions for us? Answer. Yes, I do. Could you tell me more about the career development opportunities available within the QC department? Also, what are the most important qualities you look for in a successful QC team member? These responses are designed to reflect Keshav's enthusiasm, readiness to learn, and alignment with the core values of the QC department.